The mission of Transport for New South Wales is to create a clean, safe and reliable experience for the customer. This, as well as the fundamental idea of public transport being a mass transportation system, will eventually require an evolution of the current network. We at Sydney Trains believe the next step in this evolution is autonomous trains. This short film will outline the benefits and limitations of autonomous trains in Sydney, as well as a proposed framework for the implementation of this project. Firstly, limitations. One barrier to autonomous trains is the public perception that a train without human supervision is less safe. Many people have a deep lack of trust in this technology and are worried about the safety of driverless trains. This can be eased by running public awareness campaigns which demonstrate the reliability and trustworthiness of this technology. A fully autonomous train system could become susceptible to cyber attacks or software and hardware defects. This challenges the products to be developed to bear such dangers, as well as going through a rigorous testing process. The obvious downside of this policy to Transport for New South Wales is the upfront cost to replace a number of trains from being manually driven to autonomous. However, much of the infrastructure required for autonomous trains is already in place. The benefits of autonomous trains on the public is the driving force of this project. The network's efficiency will be improved as the autonomous trains will be able to brake and accelerate more evenly and smoothly than a manual system. This will result in a higher line capacity and safety level, as well as an increased reliability and passenger comfort. Also, the optimised system would become more eco-friendly with the improved efficiency. If more people are using public transport, Transport for New South Wales and Sydney Trains will be able to decrease the cost per person, and the large-scale shift of infrastructure will create many jobs. As the train drivers and other workers who would have been made redundant are retrained and redistributed throughout Sydney Trains, labour costs will not significantly decrease. However, Sydney Trains will be run more cost-effectively and provide a better customer experience. Framework. Strategic assessment, which will have a detailed look into the research and design through technical consultancy and a thorough cost evaluation of the project. Investment, where funds will be secured, contracts with third-party organisations are finalised and public awareness campaigns begin being run. Infrastructure. Third parties deliver their products and these are implemented accordingly, as well as the retraining and of redundant employees for redistribution throughout the company. Testing. The testing of the new system which results in the identification and improvement of areas of weakness. Delivery. The final product is rolled out and retrained employees begin their new roles. We hope this video has convinced you to support us through a subsidy of $500,000 in order to commence the initial stage of this project. The world is moving forward and autonomous trains are required for Sydney's train network to keep up.